And also, I have to warn you folks about find separately, because you're going to lose a lot. So you have to weigh the pros and cons of choosing that. Anything is not like purely black and white. So for example, if you don't trust to find it accurately, can you use, say you hire some professional to make it work? Okay, is this cost more than losing all these benefits? Because you have to weigh it. Okay, so I have to reiterate it because find separately can actually have a lot of disadvantage, because you're going to lose a lot of things. So first, it's potential higher tax rate, because as I said previously, the MSS got a bracket that's pretty narrow, and then the joint filers. So you know what, you might get into a higher tax rate pretty easily, right? As the first thing. The second thing is that you will lose a lot of credit. We want to as many credit as we can get, right? So for example, like earned income tax credit, child and dependent care credits, and like most of our education credits, you file separately, you're going to lose all this credit. Okay, and if you use the like you file separately, you one of your itemized deductions, and the other must itemize too. So you can't use the standard deduction method. So it's like that's the reason when you file separately, you're required to fill your spouse's information. So basically, IRS can like connect these two filers together. So there's spouse, but they file separately. So they would like cross check the data that you send to them. Okay, so yeah, that's a lot of good thing, a lot of benefits that you're going to lose. So you have to weigh that. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? So for example, you want to, you say, hey, we want to file separately because we want to protect ourselves. That's maybe a legit reason to choose that. So for example, you will like go through the separation or divorce, and you don't trust it at all. Okay, you don't trust your spouse at all. You don't trust the situation to your ex. Okay, so that may be worth a shot. So for example, you think just to think that your other party, you are not go through divorce, you're happily married, but you think that the other spouse is like not careful enough, right? It's kind of careless person. You might say, hey, maybe just hire some professional to do that, and just that would cover the loss, and all this benefit of filing jointly may already cover the professional's money. So I think that you need to really weigh the pros and cons. Okay, unless like really legal complications involved, or distrust issues, or some like economic reasons that they don't want to be pulled filed jointly. We don't want to be pulled into a higher tax bracket, but it's not always the case. Okay, but there's some specific scenarios that you may got the scenario that you need to pay more. You have to save you a little bit of money by filing separately. Okay.